Howdy, it's Linda from Veggie Outlaws, and today we're making Green Smoothie Delight. So hop on board and let's get cooking. A great way to get those superfoods. 2 cups of ice water, 4 cups of chopped kale with the stems removed, 2 cups of frozen chopped pineapple, 1.5 cups of frozen banana, 2 tablespoons of lemon juice, 2 tablespoons of flax seeds, 2 tablespoons of hemp seeds, 1 tablespoon of grated ginger, 2 teaspoons of turmeric powder, 1/2 teaspoon of freshly ground black pepper. Put our lid on and process. After about 2 minutes, it's nicely blended. Let's check it out. Very nicely blended. Now we're going to divide it between our 2 cups. And now it's time for the taste test. Super delicious and super healthy because it's filled with superfoods. If you like what we made today, just stir up that like button and subscribe for more delicious recipes.